the midst of the fiery furnace scorching the Middle East, H.O.M.E continued in 2025 to reach out as the healing hand of Christ, manifesting God's embracing love through acts of compassion that span across this troubled part of the world. With the escalating violence in Gaza and the West Bank, H.O.M.E continued to rescue the perishing and care for the dying, proclaiming Jesus the merciful and Jesus will save. H.O.M.E worked closely with the local Christian believers and the Ali Baptist Hospital in northern Gaza in providing food supplies and medical relief to thousands of starving or injured children and families. Simultaneously, H.O.M.E worked with Bible-believing Christians in providing relief for thousands in the West Bank, portraying his compassions and eternal love. In Lebanon, which continues to suffer from the aftermath of the devastating regional war, H.O.M.E intensified its efforts to reach tens of thousands of suffering Lebanese. In the summer of 2025, H.O.M.E with Alma staged an extensive mobile medical ministry campaign in all parts of Lebanon. In addition, the 3-story H.O.M.E Medical Center continues to expand, reaching tens of thousands of underserved Lebanese. H.O.M.E mobilized senior medical students and young medical residents to form a medical discipleship fellowship group who continue to serve with H.O.M.E in reaching out to the suffering Lebanese. H.O.M.E with Alma also met with the new president of Lebanon and received his endorsement after the Lebanese cabinet elevated H.O.M.E to a special public benefit status, allowing it to bring into Lebanon highly needed tax-exempt medications and medical supplies. In Egypt, the 5-story H.O.M.E Healing Hospital in New Cairo has been completing with internal finishing and installation of all medical equipment and furniture. The hospital pharmacy received its license and has been in practice for more than a year. In addition, H.O.M.E Egypt continues to be the hub of training and sending nurses and physicians as medical ambassadors for the great physician in all of the Middle East. H.O.M.E Egypt has also launched its second large mobile clinic with teams that is dedicated to Upper Egypt. The first large mobile unit will be now fully dedicated to the Cairo coastal area. In Egypt, H.O.M.E has also completed another 30 life and medicine TV episodes that are part of now more than 200 TV episodes that have been broadcasted on satellite TV, like Sat7. These episodes provide medical education by experts on various health issues, from heart disease to cancer, with the message of hope and good news to at least 10 million people on a weekly basis. In Baghdad, Iraq, the H.O.M.E dedicated teams continue to reach more than ever through its mobile medical unit and stationary clinic to provide health, healing, and hope to tens of thousands of beloved Iraqis. In northern Iraq particularly, H.O.M.E, through its large mobile medical unit, continues to reach to thousands of displaced Iraqis and Syrian refugees. In addition, H.O.M.E has started a new clinic in Dahouk by one of its family medicine graduates from Egypt. The lives changed bear witness to the shared compassions of His grace. Simultaneously, in Syria, H.O.M.E continues to reach out through partnership with the CMA Tabali Clinic in the suburbs of Damascus to thousands of Syrians, despite escalating violence affecting minorities and Christians in the north, south, and Damascus. H.O.M.E has also reached out in Jordan through partnership with the Zarqa Mercy Clinic to tens of thousands of underserved Jordanians and Syrian refugees. In South Sudan, H.O.M.E continues to support the True Light clinics in Mundari and Awil, reaching out to 25 villages, bringing medical care to those in need, and extending the light of His saving grace to the communities we serve. In the North African Mauritania, under the capable leadership of Dr. Amanda, H.O.M.E continues to reach out through 2 hospitals and mobile medical unit. Several Egyptian healthcare workers were sent trained by H.O.M.E to serve in these hospitals, with Dr. Amanda as part of the Arab-to-Arab medical mission program established by H.O.M.E. Similarly, in Algeria, a house-to-house healthcare outreach continues to be led by a committed H.O.M.E local physician who reaches to isolated mountain villages of Algeria and builds connections of grace, instilling hope and sharing the good news. In nearby Tunisia, new extensive medical relief through local H.O.M.E MBB teams and mobile medical ministry committed to share His light in that beloved country with Tunisian as well as Syrian refugees. In the United Arab Emirates, H.O.M.E continues to partner with the 200-bed Cunard Christ-centered hospital that cares for more than 180,000 patients every year. In addition, H.O.M.E is partnering with family physicians from Foundation Health Ministry to start another ambulatory medical center in Ras Al Khaimah, which is northeast of UAE. H.O.M.E also continues its support of relief and health outreach to the Yemeni people through a partnership clinic run by MBB teams. In a part of the world torn by suffering and mass violence, H.O.M.E is committed to be Christ's healing hand, sharing his saving cure with the least of these. Please join us in sharing God's unlimited and eternal love through acts of compassion with the millions caught in the crossfire of suffering in the Middle East.